bitch. Fuck it up, bitch. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. Fuck it up, bitch. So before I get started with this tutorial, I'm just going to show you guys me actually styling the actual unit and getting it all together. When I first got it, I was just like, oh my god, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. It's so short, but it actually turned out really nice. Initially, when I reviewed it on YouTube, on Amazon, I just did a side part and just had it like this. But then I was like, you know what, I think I want to do more with it. So then I was like, okay, let's go in and like really tweak this shit, like, and see what we could possibly do with this. So this is what we came up with. Like, it's giving me natural silk press vibes all fucking day. Like, if my hair was silk pressed and it was the length that it is supposed to be, this is how the bitch would look. Like, fucking slayed. So if you want to know the deets on this beautiful unit right here, make sure you keep watching.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had the one, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. That ain't your car, you desolate, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and all honest. Vibes galore, cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town off this way. Doing all these shows, I been on the road. I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town off this way. Doing all these shows, I been on the road. I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made.
Every other night another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this shit is a parade. I don't want your train, I'm gon' want another slave. I hate that draw, not too many bitches getting saved. See this nigga rush me, so I took a private plane. You pussy nigga like him, I'm working on my aim. Drip too hard to the car, till it's down to the grind like a balance better name. Drip too hard, caution on the floor, you gon' fuck around and jump down, ride a nigga way.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the drown off this way. Doing all these shows, I been on the road. I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the drown off this way. Doing all these shows, I been on the road. I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the drown off this way. Doing all these shows, I been on the road. I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. In the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had the one, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you desolate, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing.
So today's video, I'll be doing another wig review. This review is coming from an Amazon-based company. Their name, I sound like a country bumpkin. Their name is called Hibaby, and this is a straight short bob, 8-inch pre-plucked with baby hairs. So if you want to know the deets on this unit, keep watching. So this is the initial packaging that the wig came in. The box is a little ripped only because it was like really hard to get it open, so I couldn't like open it the way, you know. But anyway, so this is the box right here. It just says Hibaby on there. On the side, it tells you all the information about the wig, and then it also came with a few things. It came with the wig cap thing, but nobody really uses that. It came with some Huda lashes and Giselle, and a pamphlet on like the actual wig and stuff like that. When I first got this wig, I was just like, I didn't really like it. I was like, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this. I was gonna cut it super short, but then I was like, no, let's just see what we can possibly do with this. So this is what we came up with. I'm getting a real like silk press vibe look from this, as if I went to the shop and got a silk press. So that's the look that I'm getting from this. People have been like asking if it's my real hair like for the past couple days, but that's how realistic that it looks, that people, even black people, are asking if this is my real hair because they think I got like a silk press, like bam, like pow. But no, it's not. So let's get into some more deets about this wig. Pros of this wig, it's really go on, put on, and that's it. This part right here is not glued down. I only glued down the sides of this wig because it was definitely snug and big head friendly. I did adjust the straps in the back. Comes with 2 combs right here, comb in the back, and I don't think there's a comb up here. Nope, just 2 on the side and 1 in the back, which is like the typical construction for a unit. The construction was really nice. The only thing that I did not like about it is that you only get the most parting in the middle, from like right here to right here. On the sides, literally this is all the parting space. Like that's it. Like there's really nowhere. So you either can do like a flip over method like how I did, and then I did just go in and just put a little bit of powder right there just so like it's like a little part. But this is really just a straight middle part bob type of wig, so don't expect to get a lot of like parting space on the sides. It's just most of the parting space is right there in the middle. I didn't experience no shedding so far. The only shedding that I did experience is when I was cutting the lace. I did not bleach the knots. And with these type of wigs, to make them lay down even flat, you should go in with your hot comb and just flatten it out a little bit because it is kind of bulky. But once you flatten it out, then you'll get like this realistic hairline. I only went in with the baby hairs right here and not all the way through here because I wasn't going to be like showing that part when I wear it. And then I did like the baby hairs and stuff on this side as well. And then I did go in with my powder and just go in like little spaces just to make it look even more realistic, like scalp. So yeah, this is like a really short review because there's not really much I need to say about this wig. It's a really nice wig. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. No bad things about this wig. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this wig for like, I might even wear this for Christmas. Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.